Good morning, dear students. I welcome you to my video. Before going into the class, I would like to introduce myself. Before you, I am Kumar Biswas, Assistant Teacher English, Paura Secondary School. Dear students, this video is made on connector. Today, we shall learn about connector. Now look at the blackboard. Connector. Another names of connector is linking word. Linkers. There are some conjunction in English language. We have to use it properly. You can see some connectors here. Before doing this, I would like to say you that connectors are of three kinds. One, subordinating connector, which is used in complex sentences. Coordinating connector, which is used in compound sentence. And correlative connector, which is used both compound sentence and complex sentence. And there are some adverbs which are used at connector. For example, such as firstly, secondly, thirdly, etc. They are student forward understanding. I have written some common connectors. When means Bangla meaning যখন, when you can go, when you want, যখন তুমি চাইবে তখনই তুমি যেতে পারবে। while is a connector, বাংলা মিনিং যখন, এক কাজের মধ্যে যখন আর এক কাজ, when any action takes place within another action, then we use while is used both as conjunction, connector or preposition. We know that after while we use ing form of verb. While it was raining, he was sleeping. After we use this connector in past perfect tense, after or before. We know that after we use had V3, before we use had V3. After means পরে, before means পূর্বে. He came after I had gone. Before he had come, before I went. As soon as, যেই মাত্র, as soon as I saw him, he ran away. This is a connector. No sooner had, as soon as I saw him, he ran away. Affirmative sentence, if we want to do it. Negative sentence, we say in this way: no sooner had I seen him than he ran away. If provided that, Bangla meaning যদি, if you come I will go, unless, if not, unless you read you will not pass, so that or in order that, যাহাতে, we read so that we can learn, we read in order that we can learn, so order that, Bangla meaning এতই যে, is so weak that he cannot learn. Although, যদিও, although or though he is poor, he is happy. As is, যেহেতু, he got GPA 5, as or since, since he was active. Because of, কারণে, for, it is used in simple sentence. He is happy because of, for his honesty. Next, and what or yet. These are conjunction which are used in compound sentences. He reads and he will pass. He is poor but he is honest. In contrast, we use but, do or die. In alternative,